Baby Lock began with a revolutionary idea. The first serger created specifically for the home sewer. For over 40 years, Baby Lock has continued to redefine the serger with innovative ideas. In this time, we've eclipsed the competition, allowed sewers to imagine, created waves with new stitches, and most of all, continued to evolve. Today, Baby Lock is proud to hold 14 exclusive serger patents, including jet air threading, automatic thread delivery, a needle threading system, and tubular loopers that make our sergers the easiest to thread. And of course, we're still evolving. Introducing the next step in threading technology, extraordinaire threading. With just the push of a button, all 3 loopers can be threaded at once, instantly, with a powerful gust of air. You'll find extraordinaire on the new Evolution, the top-of-the-line serger that celebrates Baby Lock's tradition of innovation and advancement. The Evolution includes the new pure LED lighting and 87 stitch combinations, including the wave stitch. Sewers will love the variety of 8 threads. All those threads can be handled tension-free with the automatic thread delivery system. Through constant evolution, Baby Lock sergers have changed the way we serge forever, and more importantly, stayed revolutionary. Baby Lock, for the love of sewing.
Extraordinaire threading,
87 stitch options,
automatic thread delivery.
pure lighting.
Did I mention extraordinaire threading?
Yes, you did, Nancy.
So, what do you think we're talking about?
It's Baby Lock's newest serger, the Evolution.
The Evolution is truly revolutionary since you can automatically thread 2 or 3 loopers at the same time. It's extraordinaire threading.
Baby Lock was the first manufacturer to introduce a serger to the home market and the first to bring jet air threading to the sewing industry. But we didn't stop there. With extraordinaire threading, threading your serger is even easier.
Here's how. Lower the lever into the threading position. Turn the hand wheel until the thread channels are locked. Then, place the thread ends into the corresponding portholes. Press the button. It's magic!
You can thread the upper and lower loopers for overlock stitching.
Or the upper, lower, and chain loopers for the Baby Lock exclusive Express a Stitch. All at the same time.
Then, there's pure lighting.
The color is truer.
The lighting is bluer to provide pure lighting.
Look at the difference between traditional lighting and pure lighting. It's remarkable. Plus, you'll get a clear view when using extraordinaire threading.
Nancy, we already told them about that feature.
Well, anyway, take a look at the automatic thread delivery, another Baby Lock exclusive.
You'll be able to take serging from one fabric to another without changing any tensions. 1 minute you could serge on fleece, the next minute you could serge on swimwear. The tension automatically changes. Automatic thread delivery takes the stress out of serging. You'll never have to change tensions.
Plus, if you need to change threads when switching from serging fleece to swimwear, you can use the extraordinaire threading feature.
Nancy, something tells me you really like that feature.
Well, Pam, have you ever threaded the serger loopers of a non-Baby Lock brand? Well, extraordinaire threading is revolutionary.
Yet there's more to Baby Lock's evolution. 87 stitch options, including rolled hem, flat lock, cover and chain stitch, plus the exclusive wave stitch.
Use the wave stitch as thread accents on home decor.
The upper and lower looper take turns being the featured threads. It's a novel stitch with creative options.
These are several of the highlights of Baby Lock's newest serger, the Evolution, yet there's so much more to see and learn about this revolutionary machine.
Visit your authorized local Baby Lock retailer or go to www.babylock.com for a listing of a retailer near you.
Did I mention extraordinary threading? It's the first machine of its kind.
Now you can create hand stitching by machine.
Evenly spaced, perfectly sewn.
Elegant stitches that are inspired by Japanese quilting.
Plus, it's the first machine of its kind.
Nancy, you already said that.
You'll be impressed when you see
Baby Lock Sashiko machine. Modeled after traditional Japanese quilting and embroidery, the Sashiko machine creates an elegant running stitch.
the stitches appear as if they were sewn by hand, yet all sewing is done by machine.
Baby Lock has always been a leader in the sewing industry. The Sashiko machine is just another example of our progressive product line.
The Sashiko machine only uses one thread. Choose your favorite thread, size 30 weight or lighter, for the bobbin. The bobbin thread follows a unique path. It will pass through the fabric and lock on the underside with each stitch.
Set the stitch length and spacing between stitches. Choose lengths between 2 and 5 millimeters. With just these simple settings, you'll be ready to create elegant hand stitching.
It's the only machine of its kind.
Nancy, I'm a little worried about you. You keep repeating yourself.
Repeating? Well, that's just what this machine does. It repeats elegant, evenly spaced stitches every time.
Time-honored running stitches can easily be created to embellish children's wear. The special little girl in your life will love your sewing creations.
Use a traditional Sashiko printed fabric backed with another layer of fabric. Stitch along the design following the recommended stitching order. Only you will know that the elegant hand-sewn look was effortlessly stitched by machine.
Or use the Sashiko machine for quilting projects. Transfer a continuous design to the fabric. Back the fabric with batting and backing, then pin. Stitch along the markings. The right side features the signature running stitch. On the underside, the Sashiko stitching line is continuous. The machine locks every thread on each stitch.
Also, use your Sashiko machine for freestyle stitching.
This bag makes a bold statement with high contrasting thread and fabric combined with freestyle stitching.
Randomly stitch on the fabric. The Sashiko machine can be used for traditional or contemporary stitching. Wow, did I mention it's the only machine of its kind?
Nancy, I think you said that once or twice before.
These are only a few of the options that you can create with Baby Lock's Sashiko machine. There's so much more to see and learn about this incredible machine.
Visit your authorized local Baby Lock retailer or go to www.babylock.com for a listing of a retailer near you.
Did I mention it's the only machine of its kind?